Okay folks, I'm making this video on how to use Mintable using your Zilpay or Zilliqa Chrome extension to pay for your minting fees. So as you go on to the mintable.app homepage, you will see a bunch of stuff, but on the top right side, if you see my mouse moving, I know it's not very big, but if you see on the top right side it says Ethereum. Now that shows that it is needed to be connected to Ethereum wallet, and I do have an Ethereum wallet that it is connected to, and that's my MetaMask wallet that I'm trying to open now. Hopefully it opens. So if I want to do any minting using the MetaMask wallet, I can sure use that. But if I don't wanna do the Ethereum pay, I can also use on the drop down I can also use Zilliqa wallet to pay for my minting. Since I am already connected with the Zilliqa or Zilpay wallet, it is not showing me that I need the permission to be connected, but as just to show you, I will click on my Zilpay, then my Zilpay will open. And in the Zilpay I sure see my connections. In the connections, here is my profile. I'm already at tracked in, and it already views me that I am connected with the Mintable Zilliqa site. Also, you can completely change the browser, and it is a better way to do it. So this way you make sure that your work get tracked, and it is going through the right wallet. So I can also open my Mintable now through my Zilliqa or Zilpay wallet, and from there on I can go ahead and start to set up a store and start to create my digital art and post it as an NFT. So that's how one can set up the Zilpay or Zilliqa Chrome extension to use the Mintable. Thank you for watching.